Hello friends, welcome to LinuxTopic. Today we will configure a Samba server in Ubuntu 16. We will share the directory as a publicly and protected. Also we will check the Samba server in Ubuntu and Windows client. So let's start. But first please subscribe my channel for latest video update. First we check OS release. This is Ubuntu 16.4.1 LTS. Now we will check IP. The system IP is 172.168.100.100/16. Now we will update the repo. apt-get update. Repo update successfully. Now we will install a required package like Samba, Samba Common, Python, system config Samba. Press yes and enter. It's downloading a required package and installed them. Now package downloading and installing successfully. Its configuration file is smb.conf. Just we take a backup and open it. It's a work group. Define your work group. Server string, it's the name of your server in network. Just I type a LinuxTopic as a server string. DNS proxy no. It's a log file, max log file, syslog, server role. Now we use a standalone server. You can type according your network like Active Directory, domain controller and member server, but now we will configure a standalone server. First we configure a public access. It's a default configuration of printer. First we create a public share and the path is LinuxTopic public, writable yes, guest okay yes, guest only yes, read only no, create marks 777, directory mode 777, force user nobody. Yeah, it's a public shared. We just save and exit this file for just save :wq and enter. Now we will create a directory like LinuxTopic public because we define it. We change the ownership of this directory, nobody, no group, LinuxTopic public. Now we given a 777 permission, read write execute for all. Now we will test our SMB configuration like test prompt, press enter. Yeah, this is our configuration of Samba for public. It's a global path, server string, server role. Now we will restart a SMB service like SMBD. Now we will configure a IP table, allow a 139445 TCP port and 139 UDP, sorry 137 UDP port and 138 UDP port. We are not using a IP table, so just flush the IP table. You can add the IP table rule. Now we will just access our public share. Command is smbclient -n minus capital N // 172.1700.100 and share path, share name. Yeah, just we create a test directory. Success. Now we will check a test directory. Yeah, directory is created. Now we will check the second configuration of our SMB. Just we create a protected shared folder. Just open a configuration file and go to bottom and just add following this line: protected, guest okay no, writable yes, browsable yes, comment protected, and path is LinuxTopic protected, valid users SMB group, and we define a group. Now we will save and exit. We will create a folder like protected in LinuxTopic directory. Now we give an ownership. Sorry, SMB group is not available. So first we will create a SMB group, add group, SMB group, and enter. Group created. Now we will add user like Lokesh, like LinuxTopic. Just we created 2 user. Now we will add in group user mode -g SMB group user. Same add LinuxTopic in SMB group. Now we will add both users in SMB passwd, SMB database, SMB passwd -lokesh. Just type a password and confirm this. Same like LinuxTopic, new password, retype password, user added. Both user is added in SMB. Now we will give the ownership of this folder, root SMB group /LinuxTopic /protected. Now give the folder permission 0770 next topic protected. Now we will test our SMB configuration. Just command test prompt, press enter. It's command protected and path is showing. Now we will go to again in smb.conf. Go to bottom. We can add following this extra for creating a directory, like create mask, force create mode, directory mask, and force create mode. Sorry, we defined the force create mode in 2 times. We just comment this line because we just restart the smbd.conf at smbd service. We check the status. Yeah, it's working. Now we access the protected shared in Ubuntu client 100 and share path, share folder name like protected. Sorry, spelling mistake. Protected. Enter the password. Yeah. Now we will just create a directory for testing. Test2 help. Yeah, it's a default command of smbd. You can use according to your need. Now we will check the sharing on Windows client. Just type a run and you can access the / and IP. But first we will check the connectivity of our Samba client in Windows machine. Just we ping our SMB server, ping 172.17.100.100.100. Yeah, it's pinging. Means our SMB server is reachable to Windows. Now we just access the Samba sharing 172.17.100.100 and just press enter. Yeah, we will double click on the public. We created a test directory on Ubuntu client. Now we will create a again directory in Windows. Tells we create a simple text file. Now again we will check our protected share. Same, double click on the protected. Yeah, it's asking a username and password. We just enter the username and password previously we created on. Now we will create a text directory, any directory for testing. Second folder, just we create a second folder like Linux. Now we will create a file in Windows directory, Win directory. You can create any directory. Now we will check in our SMB servers, just cd LinuxTopic and public. cd public. Yeah, directory is created. So we check in protected, same directory win and text2 is available on the SMB server.